Hello. So today we're going to discuss formatting features of MS Excel. Okay. So format cells dialog box. First we'll discuss about format cells dialog box. So we want to, these are the cells that I'm taking it. This is A1 cell, this one B1 cell, this one C1 cell. So these are cells, each are boxes. These boxes are called cells. So these cells will format cells. So for that, you need to go to the format cells dialog box. So what is the step? Select the cell you want to format. Suppose I want to format this cell A1. So I will click. So for better understanding, so click in the middle. You see this one is E column, and in the 7. So highlighted E and 7. So this columns, this cell's address is E7. Okay. So we have taken E7. Then you want to format this cell. Then you right click on it. When you right click on it, you will get in below format cell option. So you click on it, a dialog box will open, and this one is called format cell dialog box. Okay. Here you have different tabs. Under it, you have different tabs. First one is number. Okay. So number tabs have various options. Different number types it is displayed. General, then number. Okay. Number, your general mathematics. You are using general numbers. Negative, positive. Okay. So this one is up to decimal numbers. How much decimal number it will display. So 2 you means after point only 2 digit will display. If you make it 3 or 4 or anything 5 or 6 means you can see in the below it is increasing, and this one it will show you the number of digits after decimal point. Okay. And if you will click on the separators, so that means it will separate. 1000 means 1. Suppose 10,000 means after 10 it will give comma separators, comma separation. Numbers like that. Currency also you can use symbols here, dollar symbol given, but from here you can choose your Indian symbol also. Okay. So for India, China, English, Indian. So you'll search for it. You'll get it. English, India. Okay. English, India, got it. The rupee symbol, you will find it. Like that, accounting, date, time. Okay. Time, date also you can give, time, percentage, scientific text, all those things you can format. So as we go on, we'll learn about it. So this one is about the formatting cell dialog box. First one is your number. Then comes alignment. Text alignments means this step what it will do, it has horizontal and vertical. You can see here red color text is given. So you can move this one around. The text will move like that. Okay. So we'll do this one also. Only you know that what are the options are there, tabs are there. We'll then discuss every tab. In this tab, you have horizontal and vertical or bottom. Okay, wrap text, string to fit, merge cells. So this all we'll discuss. Next one is your font. So what type of font you want to make it? You can change the style of the text. So according to it, you can change bold, regular, italic, all those things you can change. You can change also its size. Okay. These all things we'll discuss. Then border. Suppose you want to give borders with the cells. You can choose the thickness of the cells, dotted or thick, plain or thick or double line, no border, outline, all those things you can select from this option. Then in the tab fill, you can fill colors also. Here it is no color. If you choose any color means, you see I choose blue color, formatted the cell to blue color. So you can choose for any color. Also, you can format this. This one also we discuss. Okay. So protection, you want to lock it or hide it, you can do it also. So one by one we'll discuss. So first thing is you are given modify fonts. So we'll discuss first one is how to modify fonts. Okay, so suppose I'll write here something. I'm writing class 8 computers. So class 8 computers written here. I'll make it a little bit bigger so that it will be visible to all clearly. Class 8 computers we have written. And we want to change the font style. So what we'll do, we'll right click on it, then format cell, then go to font. So here you can change any style you can adapt. Suppose I will add it, anything you can choose. Suppose Cambria we have chosen, then bold we have chosen, and the letter size is 72 or 48. Suppose we have made so 48. What will happen? See, change its font. Okay, so like that you can change the fonts. What are the steps? You select the cell where you want to change the fonts, and on the here it is given. You can right click, or else you can go to the home tab also. Okay, from the home tab you choose the font type. You can choose from the font type. You can see here the font is there. From here also you can change. Here also you can get the fonts and you can change. You can see if I change it from here, as I'm going to change, it is changing accordingly. Size also, suppose I will be 72 means big. Bold means bold, italic means italic, it will underline bold, all those things you can do from the home tab also. Okay. So then if we want to add borders and colors to the cell, so we want to add border to the cell. So what we can do, we can go to the home tab again, font tab, then here you can click, and here no borders, bottom border, top border, left border, right border. Suppose bottom border means only bottom, it will give the bottom, the border. You can see a black color line here, but on the outside, three sides, no. Suppose thick border, sorry, okay. Thick border we have given, you can see all four sides have thick border now. If you give all borders means this one only one cell, so one border is yes. So according to it, you can give bottom border, double border, single border. So you practice at your home, so you will get it. Okay. So to give borders, you have to go to the home tab, then font, then click on the border tabs. Okay. So how we can apply, next one is how to apply colors to the cells. Suppose we want to give color to this one. So what we can do, we have selected the cell, and then coloring to the cell is font tab, font group, and field color option is there. Here you can see field color. There you will click so many color options are there. You can choose any color option. You can see that the colors are changing as we are moving the mouse. Okay, so this one is field color option in the computer. Okay, so any color you can give. I have given this one. You can choose any color out of it. Then you can go for if you want to give apply borders and colors using styles. Here the styles are there. You can see the top styles. So anyone you can see. Normal means you can see all the styles are gone. Neutral, calculation, check. So many options are there. If I click it, you'll see that so many options are there. Okay, so any option you can select and you can do it. Any style. This is the common way of or speedy way of doing uh, your styling of text or cells. Okay. You can easily and quickly can change the style of the your text or cells. Okay. So this one is your three types we have discussed, three things. Your modifying fonts, adding borders and colors to the cells, and applying colors to the cells, borders and using styles. How you use the styles? Okay. Then